Everyone, today I'm going to be showing you this deluxe hair kit that is great for dancers, performers, anything like that. First thing you're going to get is the hair wax stick for getting back all of those loose hairs. So if you have a dancer and their hair needs to be out of your face, you're going to use this to just smooth their hair out with it. And then as you use it, you just push it up, or you can push it back down just like a deodorant. It has a twist cap. Also going to get this hard bristle brush, which is going to also be great for using that wax and pulling that hair back out of the face and getting it nice and tight. Also have this little one if you just have little spaces, or this little comb if you need to get into there. This kind of comb, which is wonderful if you are braiding or needing a good part. So you've got the fine tooth here and the part here. And then it also comes with these two pieces, some fancy ponytails or anything like that. This is to get into there and you can pull your hair through. Lastly, it comes with the set of bobby pins, hair ties, clear elastics, and it even has a lot of hair nets. So if you are doing some sort of plays where you're using wigs or you need the hair out of the way, there's plenty of hair nets in there to pull all of the hair back and out of the way. But several bobby pins of different sizes. My daughter takes dance, and my stepsister actually owns a dance studio. So this is a perfect thing to have on hand for all of those performances. And it's all small just to throw into your dance bag or whatever you may need. So this is a really, really great kit to get a lot of the things that you're going to need all in one. Thanks for watching. Bye.